Welcome back to my YouTube page, my beautiful people. Today we are doing a little experiment with dish soap. So cells are some really nice designs that I saw when I started doing research on fluid art, and I wanted to try to do it. Normally you would use silicone, but I'm not ready for that as yet because I was told, or I did a research, and it's hard to wipe off when you need to do your varnish, so I'm not ready for that as yet. So we're gonna start off with pouring some soap into my colors and then starting to pour onto the canvas. I was so scared because I have never done this before, and it is a perfect experiment for even kids. So let's get into it. I am going to try to do another video with more soap. I think I was just scared and I didn't use much, but I didn't want to get too much soap bubbles in my paint so that when I pour I don't have to do a lot of bursting of bubbles and the artwork start looking weird. So alright, let's get back to the video. Now we are at the pouring section of the video. I tried to use very bright colors for this one because I really wanted to see the cells being formed without having to deal with mud. You remember that video? We have to deal with mud. Don't want to deal with mud this time. So I am just layering it with all bright color. I think the only dark color I have is the green, and that was it. There was something interesting about using the dish soap. I saw like extra watery layer around my paint, but I didn't really pay it any mind. I would assume that it's some of the dish soap just spreading out of the paint. Yeah, so even though it seemed odd, I was still able to do the Dutch blowout. So let's get into it. I am back again. Now that we're doing the pour, you may not have seen any cells popping up as yet. I realized I really didn't use enough soap. I didn't use enough soap. So I really need to do that video again with different colors and also more soap. But I believe after a while the cells started to show, and it's a possibility that I could have put some of the dish soap into the blue paint as well, but I don't think that matters. So now we're at the end. You can see some of the cells popping up after I did everything. I also did a shorts video, so you can go check that out. I really liked it. It was different but it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like this type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video as well. I also do other videos and introduce you to my family, and so happy to have you here, and have a blessed day. Bye.